Wala akong magagawa dyan, pre.
Doon pa lang
Sabi ko, focus eh.
Hindi, doon pa lang kasi sa ano niya pare kanina. Hindi niya ka tinawagan na dun sa ano.
Kaya sabi ko kanila nga sa kanya. Kasi focus. Kasi nakikita ko sila dalawa nawawala. Para sa'yo. Ito naman yung kay Kobe. Oo. Kami yung ulit ko.
Black ball. White shirt. Pass to blue shoes, to green shoes. Blue shoes, pull up, no. Rebound by green shoes. Foul committed by number 7. Rins, first personal, first team foul. 2 shot by number...
Sabi ko, ano, shoes lang eh.
Basket.
Green shoes yan, green shoes. Green. Ayan, no, green shoes. Hanapin mo na lang. Ako na, ang hirap naman yan eh.
Dali lang, sige. Back to 0-9, 3 seconds. Black ball.
Boss, paano? Ano, boss? Yung mga ano, boss, ikaw?
Boss, patanggal ng mga hikaw, sing-sing, jewelry, baka makasugat. Salamat for safety. Salamat.
Zero, no? Tablay ba? Kanina? Castro? Dalawa.
For 3, number 7, no. Picked up by Bernal. Rebound by white team.
Ito. Pangalan ito. Google. Ha? Google.
Ha?
Google.
Makain kayo, mamaya. Pull up, no. Picked up by Black. Rebound by number 7, no. Basket by Blue Shoes. Ha?
Sige, mamaya. Tulungan mo ako, ang hirap wala number eh.
Pick ng Black to number 8 for 3. No. Rebound by white team. Rebound by Black team, number 7. Basket is good.
Number 7,
Darren. Rodel, pass to white shirt.
White, Jonas.
Rebound by number 8. Number 8 crossover. Pass to number 8 then Bernal. No, rebound. Loose ball foul committed by.
Basta 1 minute. 1 minute lang. 1 minute lang. Sige, okay na.
Basket by number 8. All 4.
Ha?
Number 11. White team tayo. 0-9. Pull up, no. Number 7. Rebound by white shirt. The white shirt. Power move. Basket yan.
Ano, JR?
6-4. Basket by JR. Bernal to Nike jersey. Ayun mo, Nike jersey. Basket by Bernal. White ball, pass to 06. 3 points by Blue Shoes.
Pangalan ng Blue Shoes.
Crossover by number 8. Number 8. Foul si Archie. Archie. 0-0-0. Committed by Allen. First personal. 2 shot by Archie. Fakes by Archie, no foul. Rebound by number 7, put back in, no. Kuha ng 0-6 to Blue Shoes. Floater to white shirt. Picked up by number 8. Number 8. No look pass to Bernal, no sablay. Rebound by 0-8 to Blue Shoes. Blue Shoes to white shirt. White shirt for 3, no. Rebound by number 7. Number 7 to Nike shirt. Black by t-shirt to Nike shirt. Bam! Change by. Official score 8-9 in favor of white. Number 9 for 3, no fakes, jump step. Number 9 spins. Same ball, 12 seconds to shoot.
Ano pa ang number? First.
T-shirt shot, basket 3. 2 points, long to lang.
Naka-t-shirt to. Blue Shoes.
Traveling, white ball.
Nakakalito yung mga jersey ni J-Hoops.
Orange shoes, no. Rebound by Lance Padilla. Same ball, black ball. May backup. For 3, no. Rebound, kuha ni Lorante. Kirk, dire-diretso, pinasa sa orange shoes. Blue shoes, back to orange shoes. For 3.
James yan to, James.
Ha?
James, sinasa orange.
Jane?
Samson.
Larte, walang foul. Padilla. To Jimmy Santos, fakes.
James yan, James. Ayan si James.
Lance. Misdirection dribble. 2-step. Jimmy Santos. Foul committed by
Allen.
first personal by Allen. 2 shot by Jimmy Santos. Correction, basket by Van. Blocking foul, offensive foul rather,
Number.
by number 10.
Ano, Espeñas? Ha?
0-0 for three. Three by Eric King.
Download the app and order now.
Okay, 13 pa lang.
White t-shirt for three. Rebound by Bulatao. Bulatao stop and pop to Padilla. Padilla sa tres, no.
Wala na lumagpas na, pag lumagpas na wala na. Importante yung ngayon na yan. Katulad yan, anong pangalan yan? Ha? Ha?
Allen pass to Laurate. Basket yan by Kurt. Van, stop. Pinasa sa gilid for three. Rebound. Outside, white ball. 1 minute and 15.
Yan, Tintin yan.
Yung sumatra.
Tintin.
Ayan si Allen.
Team to Allen. Team. Floater. Rebound by Kurt. Kurt put back in. Tapik ni Padilla. Lance na diretso. Lance. Basket by Lance Padilla. 16-13. Allen loses. Same ball. 18 seconds to shoot. Team. Pass to De La Cruz. Power move. Loses. Black ball. Last 30 seconds.
Pangalan yan, nagsabi lang.
Wala na for three. No, sablay. To Padilla. Hesi. Padilla. Left shot. Black pair of foul. Foul by number 10, De La Cruz. Second personal. Warning for a penalty. Two shot. Lance Padilla. Basket. Score 17-13 in favor of Black. No basket. 10 seconds. Kurt. What a pass. Basket by Allen. End of the first. Second quarter.
Oh, ito si ano. Si Loren yata.
Hindi, yung first name lang.
Si Al.
Ha? Al.
Kasi ito, pinaka-golden state. Si ano, si Archie.
Sige, banggitin mo lang habang bit-bit yung bola para hindi ako mahirapan.
Raymond.
Raymond.
Madali pala.
Roger Lander. T-shirt. Rebound.
Jonas yan, Jonas.
Jonas. Elbow shot, no. Rebound by Bernal. Basket's good by Archie. Raymond. Jonas. Bernal to number 7. Number 7, attack. Basket by number 7. By Polonias. Pull-up chain. No. Rebound by Bernal.
Panggitin mo lang pag hawak yung bola. Nasa yung listahan.
Raymond. Pass to 06. Black ball. Bernal. So, Al.
Player ko pala yan sa ano.
Steal by White ball. Loremia. Pass to Bernal for 3. No. Pull up. No. JR. Steal by Jonas. 0-9. Basket is good.
Ha?
Basket by Rodel. White ball. Rodel. Same ball. 17 seconds to shoot. Pass to for 3. No. Rebound by Rodel. Basket's good by Rodel. 21-17. 19 rather. Archie. Reverse shot. No. Rebound by 0-9. JR. Power move. Basket by JR. Loremia. Teardrop, no. JR. Raymond. Behind the back pass to Jonas. No. Archie. To number 11.
Pag number 11, okay lang kahit. Hindi mo walang number niya.
JR. Against Lorena. Crossover. JR pa rin. Power move. No supply. Rebound by Al. To number 7. Number 7. Left shot. Basket. Rodel. Same ball. Chase time. Scores 23-21 favor of Black Team. 5 minutes and 30 sa second quarter. Eric. To Lance, power move back to Eric King. Niyoyo pa. Basket. 5 minutes and 2. Kurt. Pass to Orange Shoes. Back to Kurt. Pass to Team. Steal. Lands all the way to the cup. Basket. 27-21. Kurt to De La Cruz, to James, binalikan De La Cruz, steal by Kulataw, to Padilla, left shot, is fouled committed by number 9. First personal, first team foul, 2 shot, Lance Padilla. Basket.
28. 29.
Lorante. Pass to team. 12 second shot clock. Third. Steve by 27. But is fouled by number 27, Chavez. First personal, first team foul by Black. 4 minutes 19. Third. Pass to James. Pass to De La Cruz. Block by Eric. Pass to Lance Padilla all the way to the cup. Left shot. 31-21. Third. Pass. Oh, still by Eric. Pass to Lance. Left shot naman. 33-21. White ball.
Ano oras na sa cellphone mo? Pwede natin stop time to.
Eric King. Pass to Suke. Suke. De La Cruz. To Kurt. Kurt. Fouled by number 27. Second personal. Second team foul, Black. 2 minutes 33. Second quarter. Kurt. Against Chavez. Screen by De La Cruz. Kurt again. Basket, one shot. One foul committed by two shot, Van Bulacao. First personal foul, second team foul. Basket by Bulacao. Lorente. Lorente pa rin. Top out by De La Cruz. Up. Wait. Nadaga na. Wait. Ano, Eric? Okay ka lang? Okay, pagpag muna. Okay. Sub muna, sub? Ano? Sub muna, sub? Ha? Ano, kaya? Pwede naman mag-sub eh. Sampu lang naman kayo eh. Okay, ingat. Lance Padilla for 3. Missed. Rebound by Tin. Kuha ni Jake. Ni De La Cruz. Kurt, drop pass to De La Cruz. What a pass from Kurt Lorante. 25-34. Trailing by 9. Eric King. Eric King sa kanan. Rebound by De La Cruz. To Rodel to Kurt. Niyoyo. Basket by Kurt. 27-34. Lance left shot. Basket. 36-27. 53 seconds. Lorente. Fade away. Loses. Black ball tayo. Number 02. Putback J. No. Rodel. Pass to Kurt sa 3. Slowly putting 3 points. Tapos, kuha na yung Bulataw. Van against Rodel. To Chavez. Drop pass to Lance. Niyoyo. Basket is good. By Lance Padilla. 38-27. Favor of Black. Rodel against Chavez. Rodel. Teardrops. Basket. 4 seconds. End of the second. Yeah, halftime.
Then, score kong
Ano yung ano? Ito, power mo.
Archie, Sablay, rebound by Kurt. Pinato kay Rodel. Rodel, fakes against Sablay, kuha ni Bernal. Archie, against Rodel. Side pocket no, rebound by team. To Rodel. Rodel, dire-diretso. Sablay, rebound by number 11. Number 7. Sablay, kuha ni Kurt. Kurt Rodel. Aliu pass to James. No, Dilwa to De La Cruz. Basket this time by De La Cruz. 31-38. In favor of Black. Bernal to number 7. To Scott. Floater, no. Rebound by De La Cruz. To Dean. Dean to Rodel. Blackboard. Archie. 12-second shot clock. Archie, crossover. Behind the back pass to Scott, pero nawala. 8 minutes, 8. Nice one. Dean to Kurt.
Ako na, stop time lang na. Ubusin na lang natin yung oras. Ubusin na natin yung oras. Ano pa yun? 30 minutes pa. 40 minutes.
Rodel to Dean. Fade away shot, no. Number 7 against Kurt. Number 7 to Archie. Archie. (38-31). De La Cruz to Kurt. Crossover. Pass sa ilan kay James to Rodel. Basket by Rodel. Boleñas. Attacks. Left shot. No. Defended by De La Cruz. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Banak daw. Basket. 7 minutes 10. Bernal. For 3. Fix. Pass to number 8. Is fouled by James. Second personal. First team foul by white team. 2 shot by number 7, Prince.
Good shot, take time.
Rebound by De La Cruz. Third. Drop pass sa ilalim to Rodel. Back to Kurt sa gilid. Fakes. Against number 7 yung naman of reverse. To James. Basket is good. Archie. To Bernal. To Al. Floater basket by Loremia. Rodel, 6 minutes and 6. 40-37 favor of Black. Rodel against Archie. Crossover against Loremia. Pass to Kurt for 3. Hesse. Kurt Durante, and it's fouled by number 11. Number 8, brother. Archie. First personal, first team foul by Black. 2 shot, Kurt Durante. Scott, trap pass to Bernal. Side shot, basket by Bernal. 5 minutes and 43. Kurt, James rather. Screen by team. Pass to De La Cruz team. Put back team by De La Cruz. No. Tap out by Black. Gagawa kay Bernal against white team. To number 7. Basket by number 7.
Next basket, basket.
Rodel against Loremia. Crossover. Steal by Bernal.
Ready basket, ha?
Bernal to Archie. Archie steal by Kurt. De La Cruz. To Rodel. Basket. Change by. Score is 44-40 in favor of Black team. 4 minutes 55. Zero two to Chavez steal by steal 10 by 0-2. Chavez fakes. Chavez tinira, walang foul, rebound.
Tulungan mo ako dyan, puro naka-t-shirt ka.
0-6, back 0-6 down pass. Rodel to Padilla. To Chavez fakes, back to Padilla. No foul. Good back there by Chavez, rebound by Jonas. Against Chavez. Raymond to 0-6. 0-6 JR. Black. Same ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Side pocket para sa White. Tapat kuha ni Bulataw. Bulataw stop and pop sa 3. Rebound Bulataw. Six basket
Pangalan?
by JR. White shirt basket by Raymond. Eric to Bulataw. Bulataw to Chavez for 3. No! Kuha ni Raymond to 0-6. 0-6 power layup. Basket yan. 2 minutes 56. Padilla. Pass to 0-5. To Eric King, basket by Eric King. 49-46. Rodel. Hesse. To JR.
JR ba?
For 3. Rodel, ano ba? Lance. Step through. It's foul.
Tingnan mo kasi.
Ay, Raymond.
Bumukha akong tanga pagkakabanggit. Sino foul?
Raymond. Pinakabayan na.
Foul committed by Raymond.
Ilan? Personal.
Second personal, 2 shot, Lance Padilla. Two minutes 25. Basket's good by Padilla. 50-46. Crossover. 0-6 again. No. Offensive rebound by 0-6. Against Eric. Rebound by Bulataw. Inagis kay Lance. No. Sablay.
Ah, pangalan yan.
Rodel against Chavez. Rodel, 2-step. What a move by Rodel. Basket is good. 50-48 favor of Black. Steal by 0-6. JR? JR again. No. Rebound by Eric. Eric. Pass to 0-2. 0-2 for 3. No. Rebound by Raymond. Raymond against Chavez. Crossover. Raymond. Yo-yo shot. No. Basket by 0-6. JR. On 50. Padilla. Power move. Offensive foul extending the arm. First personal by Padilla. Second team foul by Black. 1 minute 54. Nice pass to JR. 52-50. Bulataw to Padilla. Yo-yo shot, no. Rebound by Eric King, and it's good. By King Eric.
Yan, Rodel yan.
Rodel, 1 minute 15. Trap pa sa ilalim by Raymond. 54-52, 1 minute and 5. Bulataw. 2-0-5, Hesi. Pass to Lance, to Chavez for 3. White ball. 52 seconds. Jonas aside. No. Pass to Eric. To Lance. And one by Lance. Foul committed by Raymond. Third personal by Raymond. Third team foul by White. 2 shot, Lance Padilla. Last 35 seconds.
All? 54?
Score is all 54. Lead by Black. 35 seconds.
Kaya mo na lahat, okay?
Raymond, teardrop snow, rebound by King. 25 seconds. Padilla, step through. Basket by Padilla. 18 seconds. Rodel. Jonas, long two. No, 8 seconds. 6 seconds. Black ball. Eric King. End of the third quarter.
Ano score? Ha? Ano? Wala. Sila Lance lang naman eh. Tsaka si Van. Doon na lang sa chat, sa chat. Sa chat na lang, sa chat.
Last quarter, fourth quarter. Team.
Ayun, pangalan niya. Hotel ba yan?
To Allen. Steal by Lorena. Lorena drop pass to Archie. Loses.
Hero dyan yung 11. 11 ang block.
Pangalan niya?
Allen, pass to Kurt. Allen for three. No. Juan James. This foul committed by number 7. Second personal. First team foul. James. To Kurt. Kurt for three. No, rebound by number 7. Pass to Archie. Allen against Archie. Allen to James. To De La Cruz. What a pass. Oh, supply lang. Rebound by Loremia. Pass to number 7. Number 7 all the way to the top. 59-54. Lorente against Archie. Essie. Lorente retreating against Lorena. Step through. Basket. Bank shot by Lorente. Lorena against number 7 for 3. Rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Kurt. Misdirection shot. Teardrop by Kurt. 58-59 in favor of Black. Al against Lorente. Pass to Archie for 3. Foul committed by James. Third personal. First team foul. 2 shot Archie.
010722.
Stop time ka, stop time. 8 minutes 11. Last shot by Archie. Fourth na fourth. Rebound by team. So Lorente. Allen. Pass to Kurt. Against Archie. Drop pass to De La Cruz. Is fouled by Bernal. Bernal first personal. Second team foul by Black. 2 shot. De La Cruz.
Milestone? Ano yan? Pumasok?
No basket by Ralston. Loremia against De La Cruz. Loremia, no foul. Rebound by James. James against Archie. Pull up basket from top of the key by James. Archie to number 7. Back to Archie. Archie to Scott. Scott foul through shot. Basket by Scott.
Scott pa talaga? Ha? Scott nakalagay.
James for three. No. Picked up by
Ano pangalan yan?
bank shot by Allen.
Yan pala yung pagwalan namin.
Boss J, ano pangalan niya? Ano ba ito?
Oh, ayan lang naman.
Ano pangalan?
J-A-Y tapos P, may P sa dulo.
Foul committed by number 7. Third personal. Allen to Kirk. Screen by De La Cruz. Screen by Team. Kirk for three. No. Rebound by Allen. Power move. Fake shot. Fadeaway shot. Kobe shot. No. Rebound by De La Cruz. Saves. Nagagawa ang block to Bernal. Bernal dinasa. Libre-libre si Loremia. Loremia all the way to the cup. 63-62. 6 minutes and 8. Allen against Loremia. Pass to James. James jump step. Allen pass to Kurt. Kurt, Hesse. Kurt retreating. Lorente, Iniyoyo, basket is good. 64-63. 5 minutes 45. Pass to number 7, floater. Rebound by James. Pass to Lorente. Lorente. Steal by Loremia to Archie. Archie against Allen. Pass to Bernal sa Paltro. Bernal, top of the key, change 5. Official score 65-64 in favor of Black. Rodel to Raymond. Rodel.
Pangalan mo. Ha? Yan? Nil.
Pwede kayo magsabsab kung kakilala niyo yung kakampi niyo. Last 5 minutes.
Yan pangalan. Tulungan mo.
Raymond to JR. Steal by Eric. Padilla, libre-libre. 67-64. JR against Chavez. JR. Rebound by 06. Chavez against Jonas. Chavez at rest. No, rebound by 02. Basket by 02. By Makailaw. Rodel against Chavez. Rodel, right side. Rodel pa rin. Basket this time. 66-69. Mulataw against Rodel. Back to Eric King sa tres. Free! King Eric!
Sa Gcash.
Okay na, sige.
Steal. Kuha uli ni Rodel. Pass to JR. JR sa tres. No! Rebound by Mulataw. Mulataw stop and drop sa tres. 3 Ivan Bulatao, aka Jimmy Santos. JR, basket.
Stop. Stop time ka, stop time, stop time. Stop time mo. Banggit, pangalan. Digong, walang pangalan.
JR, basket.
Stop time ha. Stop time yan. Haba pa naman, 20 minutes po.
Bulatao. For 3. Ini-stop time namin para sulit. Dami pang oras, oh. 75-70. JR. Raymond. Against Bacalinaw. Rebound by Bulatao. Bulatao against Jonas to King Eric. Eric, left shot, basket. 77-70 in favor of Black. 7-point lead.
Pangalan, pangalan.
Raymond against Padilla to 09 to JR against Eric. JR, power move. Wala, rebound by JR. Offensive rebound. Nilabas. Fakes. JR man. And one.
Eric first.
Eric King first personal. 14 foul by Black. One shot by JR.
Regular ano? 6 o 5. Ano bang 5 lang? Warning for penalty.
Last Padilla.
2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Eric King, Blioyo. Basket by Eric. 79, 73 in favor of Black. 72 rather. Basket is good. 74-79. 1 minute and 40. Pass to Chavez. Chavez. Tumakalinaw. Kapadilla, lumipad. Yoyo, no. Juan Eric fakes. Retreating by Lance. Chavez, libre. Chavez for 3. Rebound by JR. Kailangan score. JR. Good tao. Basket. 76. 79. Stop time tayo. Stop time yan. Okay. 1 minute and 7. Eric.
1 minute.
Last 1 minute. Eric, pass to Bacalinaw. No, rebound by Jonas. To JR. JR against Lance. Steal by Lance. What a crucial steal. Lance to Eric. Last 40 seconds. To Bacalinaw. To Lance. To Eric. Basket and 1. Foul number 06. JR. First personal. Second team foul pala. Bonus shot. King Eric. Last 34 seconds. Basket 82-76. JR. Borotel for 3. Juan Bulatao. Basket. 84-76. Last 23 seconds. For 3. 3 by Raymond. 16 seconds. 6 seconds. Steal. 4 seconds. JR. Basket. Final score, 84-81. Kamayan tayo. Salamat.
Sounds.